To help you be better efficient using Edge, Currys has provided you with an option to customize special instructions by simply selecting the Customize button, the button located at the bottom left of the Special Instructions window. Customize will be your go-to Edge tool when you find yourself typing the same comments on multiple lines or across multiple projects. To build a list of comments that you frequently add to your Edge lines, select the New button and you'll be provided with a blank row to type any text you need. When finished, click Save and Close, and a comment will be stored for future use. To add a comment from your customized list, click Special Instructions on the line. Check the box beside the comment you want to add, and click Save and Close. You will see that the comment you have pulled from your customized list will now be visible on the line. Here are a couple of additional things to note about the Customize button. Comments added to this list are not project-specific. If you start a new project or open an existing project, you will see the same customized list. At any time, you can delete customized comments by checking off what you no longer want and simply click Delete. Currys Edge is proud to add helpful tools like the Customize button for special instructions to help you become even more efficient in your projects. Thank you for using Currys Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.